The call logs are often essential to the users, which records information related to the contact numbers as well as the date and duration of the calls. However, sometimes people end up deleting the call logs by mistake and need information about the contact numbers and calls. We are sharing how to back up and restore call logs in Android in this video. Using a third-party app for data recovery is one of the easiest ways of gaining access to the call logs. For this reason, we are talking about iMyFone DBack for Android, as it is the best call logs backup and restore app for Android. It's a paid software, but a free version is also available, so you can restore the call logs once for free. The first step is to open and select a recovery mode. Use a USB cable to connect your smartphone to the PC. If you want to recover data from the device, connect the phone and verify the details. Once the details are verified, the scanning will begin. After a few minutes, the files will start appearing on the screen in the form of a list, so you can go through the list to find the desired data. As the call logs appear in the list, you can simply select the ones that you want to recover and tap on the Recover button. As a result, the call logs will be saved on the computer and you can transfer them to the smartphone. Now that you know how to recover or restore the call logs, it's essential to add that keeping a backup will make it easier to restore the files. So, in the section below, we are sharing 2 ways to back up the call logs. Open the Settings option. Go to Accounts and Backup option. Choose to backup data under the Samsung Cloud. Select what data you want to back up, call logs in this case, and then confirm the Backup Now button. It has backed up call logs on your Android phone now, so you can restore it anytime. The second method for backing up the call logs includes using Google Drive as a reliable cloud storage solution. So, let's check the instructions for how to back up call logs to Google Drive. To begin with, you need to open Settings on your device. From this tab, choose the Accounts and Backup option and turn it on. Go to the Backup Data under the Google Drive. Enable Backup by Google One and then confirm the Backup Now button. Once the backup is enabled, you can open Google Drive anytime and go to the My Drive folder to find the call logs. That's because when the backup is enabled, it automatically saves everything in the background. Okay, that's all for today. If this video helps, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye! See you in the next video.